in here and just get rid of stuff that I haven't worn in forever. And it's really hard because so many of these things I have big hopes for, but I'm not wearing it. And I don't want to hold on to things that I don't wear. It's time. It's time to get rid of stuff. So here we go.
Get done with you. The last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through. We should still have fun, though we say we're done. 'Cause I just wanna get done with you. The last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through. Get done with you. The last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through. We should still have fun, though we say we're done. 'Cause I just wanna get done with you. The last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through.
never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, no, my profession. Never giving up, no.
Okay, I'm done. I put my blanket scarves up here. I did not want to spend any money in here. Honestly, I would rather put my money somewhere else, so I used what I had. These bins were from Walmart 6 years ago, and I'm still using them. Blanket scarves are in there. Old broken electronics in there. I told you my closet is a catch-all. Hats up here and bras in there. Over here, this is what my husband made me. He's the sweetest. A picture of my little girl when she was 5 years old and a letter she had written me. We got little hooks. He measured it to exactly what I would need for right here. It's solid wood, and put all these hooks here. He's really, really handy. You know, hamper. Gotta have one of those. Ugly iron. Have to have one of those. My jewelry area. These drawers I cleaned out in here. Workout clothes, because I am starting to work out. I'm being very picky, like I've mentioned in other videos, about what I keep and don't keep. That's that. These are all my skirts. Okay, can we just take a moment? Look at this. This was my almost 16-year-old daughter's coming home outfit. Somebody is really, really hurting over that one. You don't need to see the rest. That was for my husband. That's like leggings and bathing suits. I tried to organize it as best as I can. I tried to organize it the best that I could. Got my rompers here, cardigans. I got rid of a lot of cardigans. Anybody else all about the cardigans? And now they're kind of phasing out a little bit. More of a boyfriend cardigan these days. So I've got rid of those. And I did my dresses, my long cardigans, my dresses, short sleeve, like Julia's, all my Julia's right there. My sister-in-law is a LuLaRoe consultant. So I have a lot of LuLaRoe. The Julia's are by far my favorite. All my sleeveless, short sleeve, going into longer sleeve, 3/4 sleeves to long sleeves, some nice sleeveless dresses, my palazzo pants, jackets. Got my boots up here, a pair of black boots. Got rid of a lot of shoes. You guys, I have phased out my shoes probably 4 times. And I just did another one. So I used to have a whole wall of shoes, and I'm really trying to bring it back. You can't have that many shoes, and for me personally, I can't have that many shoes and get to enjoy them all. So these have a lot of this side of my closet for my husband, and here are my jeans, my skinny jeans, my color jeans, a diaper bag I purchased because it was such a good deal. From Facebook Marketplace. I don't even have a baby that needs one. Maybe one day. Got to talk to my husband about that. All my scarves. A dear friend of mine got me this little there. My ring light. That's the best place for it at the house full of boys. So here it is, guys. It is so much cleaner. So much better. It feels so much cleaner, but you guys want to see the aftermath? Look at this. These are bins of boy clothes that I'm going to go through and get rid of the stuff that they're just not going to wear, and I'm not going to hold on to it. Stuff that I have, old Coach bags that I don't need. I'm going to sell them. Other things need to sell. Home decor needs to go somewhere, and this is going to go outside eventually. And here are all the clothes that I'm getting rid of. I will put a lot of this on my Poshmark accounts. Excuse the noise in the background. Let me try to find the remote. So here are all the clothes, shoes. It's time for them to go. Look how pretty they are. Everybody remember when the stacked platform heel was in? I never even wore them, guys. So I'm not going to keep them. Oh, were these once to a wedding? Yes. They were cute. A box of candy bars. Hello. Look at all this. A skirt I used to wear to work, or wanted to wear to work, but never got a chance to. I haven't worked in 8 years. Look at all this. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. As always, I am so thankful and appreciative. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video, and down below will you please let me know what you guys want to see. I just love hearing from you guys. It was so good to share this with you. Bye.